So I'm assuming that you have opened up your Gmail account, fresh Gmail account. As I suggested, your business name .mktg@gmail.com. So you have to sign in into Adwords account. To be able to sign up with the Adwords account, you will have to go to adwords.google.co.in. If you have already signed up with the account, you will straight away be taken to Google AdWords accounts. And since it is a fresh account, if you are starting, then you will be seeing some different screen, some different values, but overall the screen should look like this. The interface should look like this. So now you have to go to Tools. You have to go to Keyword Planner. All right, so finally it opened. Now that we have been able to open the Keyword Planner interface, here is how it looks like. So you will be presented with this screen and you can see find new keywords and get search volume data. So we'll be starting from here. Search for new keywords using a phrase, a website, or category. So now you can use your input, your business keywords which represent your business or your products. So as in the session, we were discussing about central air conditioning. So what we can do is we can write central air conditioning. Okay. Now we would like to identify the search volume on the targeted geography. So what we can do, you can select the countries. So I'm going to remove all UK, Canada, US. I'm going to remove all of them because that was set for a certain project. Now we want to check it in India. Okay, so now the moment I type in India, it starts showing all the keywords or all the geographies where India comes in. So Indianapolis, Indiana, and so on and so forth. But we are going to select India as a country. So now India has been selected. I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to press this button. You have to leave everything else without changing anything. All you have to do is change the targeting. And then you have to click on this button called Get Ideas. Yeah, so the moment you get ideas, okay, you'll be seeing this screen, Add Group Ideas and Keyword Ideas. You have to click on Keyword Ideas. Yes, so now you are seeing central air conditioning, 170 searches happening per month. Air conditioner, 40,500 searches happening every month. Air conditioning, 2,900 searches happening every month. Air conditioners again, HVAC, air conditioning units, central air. So now, people who are looking for air conditioners or air conditioning may not be the appropriate target audience for central air conditioning. So what we are going to do, there are two ways to figure that out. So now we would be writing central in this box. Now this is keywords to include. Okay. Now when I click on this and type something, for example, we want all the inquiries, all the search keywords which have the word central in it. Okay. Now I'm going to type central. Okay, so once I've been able to do that, I'm going to click on Save. And suddenly it is going to work on this and it is going to calculate all, it is going to bring and show you all the keywords which have central word in it. Central air units, central AC, central air conditioning units, central AC units. So suddenly all of these keywords have central in the keywords. So we can include maybe some other keywords, okay, into this that we need to have. For example, HVAC. Okay. Now, HVAC stands for heat, ventilation, and air conditioning. So that is also central AC related to central air conditioning systems. So now, if you are seeing, I have added the word HVAC on this, HVAC systems, and so on and so forth. HVAC system, So I have just been able to find out the list, HVAC service. Now, HVAC contractor. Okay. So now, if we are talking about HVAC service, this is you have to see, is this keyword of your use? Would you be interested in some, if somebody connects with you who's looking for HVAC services or HVAC service provider, or maybe some troubleshooting or some problems that they need to get fixed. Now, once you have been able to identify, you will always be able to look for or should look for keywords which may not be of your use. Okay. So right now, if you're seeing it is showing 284 keywords which are being shown. So now I'm going to click on 100 so that instead of 30 keywords, it shows 100 keywords. So now it is asking central air repair, central air conditioning repair. Now, if I just assume that we are installing new central air conditioning systems and we do not want we do not want to connect with people who are looking for repair services. Okay. If we do not offer repair services of installation done by somebody else, then we can get rid of these keywords which talk about repair. So how do we get rid of all the keywords? We can go into negative keyword and then we can type repair into this. So all the keywords which have the word repair would be taken out of this keyword list. Yes. So now you see all the keywords which had the word repair in it have been taken out, taken away, eliminated from this list. So now it was 284. Now it is left with 273. So that means there were about 11 keywords which had the word repair into that. So now you are supposed to actually go through all of these keywords one by one, spend about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, so that you can make sure that all the keywords which are written here, which are mentioned here in this tool, represent closely the people who you want to connect with. Okay. For example, energy efficient central air conditioners. So is that a good keyword for you? Central heat, is that a good keyword for you? Central air unit cost. Now, do you think it is useful keyword? If it matches your industry, if it matches your business, absolutely keep it. If it does not match, if it is a keyword, now think of this keyword when and who would somebody be looking for when they are looking for central air conditioning repairs. Now, again, we just removed repair. Now, repairs is still there. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add repairs into negative as well. Okay, so now I've added repairs. Now I click on save and this repairs is going to disappear from here. Okay, so now as you see, earlier there were 273 keywords, now it is left with 270 keywords. So now you are supposed to go through all of these keywords. Again, of course, reiterate this process. This may take you about half an hour or 45 minutes or so to be able to check out 200 keywords. Now there may be some industries, there will be there people would be seeing more than 300, 500, 800 keywords, and there would be industries in which you'll be seeing 100 keywords, 50 keywords, 39 keywords, and so on and so forth. So just take a look at all the keywords. Now, what you have to make sure is that you remove all the keywords, okay, which if somebody is looking for those keywords, you do not want to connect with them. Okay, I've just shown you examples of repair and repairs. I'm assuming that we are not into air conditioning repairs if air conditioning has been installed by somebody else. Okay, we will definitely repair, we'll definitely service our installations, but not somebody else's installations done by somebody else. So that makes sense that if we are not interested in that kind of business, then we are going to remove all of those keywords. People who are looking for those keywords, we do not want to connect with them. So yeah, so now I've just shown you how to get rid of the keywords that you do not want. Now you have to focus on this panel. Now this panel is actually showing you the month-wise trends of data, and it is showing you how many searches are happening every month, 20,800, 1,130, and so on and so forth. Now you have to go to this drop down and select breakdown by device. The moment you click on breakdown by device, immediately you will be seeing computers. So when you have identified these keywords, okay, these 270 keywords, if people are looking for 270 keywords, then how and which device are these people using who are looking for these 270 keywords? These people are largely using computers 63%, and mobile devices, if you combine together, it is approximately 36%, okay, 37%. So now search volume from mobile devices is much higher than 20%, 25%. It is in the vicinity of 35 to 40%. That means that you will be losing out all of these users if they land on your website and your website is not mobile friendly. So your website is should be responsive, so that you will be able to capture leads from those people who are looking for your keywords that you are interested in from mobile devices. Now, this is first part. Then we are going to go on to breakdown by location. So now, if you break down by location, select this option from the drop down, you will be seeing this graph, and you can see Maharashtra, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, all the states are appearing, and the average per month is 23,220. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select it and click on copy. Same ways, you can go for state, select this drop down. From this drop down, you can select city and click on city, and then this graph would change and it will start showing the city-wise traffic distribution or search volume distribution. So now you can see Bengaluru, New Delhi, Mumbai, and other cities. So now you can see that which areas of the geography that you would like to focus on and where would you like to start if you have a limited budget. Okay, so these are giving you indications and hints where these businesses or where users are looking for your kind of products and services. So once it is done, now I'm going to go back to the calculator which I had shared with you. So the calculator is online market size calculator. So now I'm going to paste the number which I've just copied from there, or I will just have to see what was the number, 23220. So I'm going to go here. I'm going to type 23220 and press enter and see all the numbers changed. Now, as based in the session, somebody shared with me that it is going to be not 500,000 rupees average order value. It should be much more than 10 lakhs. So we can have the order value that you want to put here. So now once you put the average order value, then the market size would be calculated automatically. So here, if you're seeing, we're talking about 4,644 crores is the total market size. And now, if you want to just capture 1% of all these people, so almost about 92,000 people are looking for it. As I've already explained, it has been divided by 3. So you can take a different factor. Maybe you can divide by 4, you can divide by 5, you can divide by 3, depending on how conservative estimates you want to build. So now, as I said, the moment you do this, okay, immediately the market size reflects that. And now you have to select that market share that you want to capture. So you want to capture 1%, absolutely fantastic. You want to capture 0.5%, great, no problems. So now it is going to show you 0.5% market share. So at 0.5% and your GP, gross profit, if it is 10%, we are talking about a total business potential of about 17.5 crores, approximately 17 crores, 41 lakhs to be precise. And then we're talking about 1 crore 74 lakhs worth of profitability at 10% GP. Okay. So now this is what I wanted to share with you in the session, but because of Google issue, I could not cover it up. So now I have covered it for you. Now you are supposed to complete this activity on your own, and then if you get stuck somewhere, if you have any issues, you can always give us a call and we can have the meeting or discussion or phone call on the open day, which is Friday. So all the best. Thank you. Bye bye.